Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jira filters and saved searches for reporting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Jira filters and saved searches for reporting, start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the top navigation bar and click on Issues. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Filters. You will see a list of filters you have created. Locate the filter you wish to backup. Click on the filter's name to open it. Once the filter is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Click on the three dots to reveal additional options. Select Edit from the menu that appears. In the Edit screen, you will find the JQL query that defines the filter. Copy this JQL query to your clipboard. Open a text editor or a document where you can save this information. Paste the JQL query into the document for future reference. Next, return to Jira and navigate back to the Manage Filters section. Repeat the process for each filter you want to back up. Once you have backed up all necessary filters, it's time to back up your saved searches. Return to the Issues menu and select Search for Issues. Use the filters to create customs. After configuring a search, you can save it by clicking the Save As button. In the pop-up window, give your search a descriptive name. After saving, navigate to the Filters drop-down in the top menu. From here, choose View All Filters. Locate your saved search in the list. Click the filter name to open it. As before, click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit to view the JQL query for this saved search. Copy the JQL query once again. Paste this new query into your document. Repeat for any additional saved searches you want to back up. Ensure that all your copied JQL queries are neatly organized in your document. Finally, save the document to a secure location for future reference. You have now successfully backed up your Jira filters and saved searches for reporting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.